Hey, it's your old pal Lucid Stew again, and we're going to take a look at some freight trains from my recent Central Valley trip because I know some of you like freight trains. Here we go. This is a shot of the Tehachapi Loop. While not technically in the Central Valley, it's pretty close. I'm just going to give you a little taste here. There's a longer video that shows the entire train going through the loop, so check that out in the card and description. Next up is a BNSF freight that I caught in the middle of Shafter, California. This train just happened to segue exactly into the southern end of construction package 4 on California High-Speed Rail. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough voiceover for the entire train, so I had to cut most of it out. Here we have another BNSF freight, this time out by Allensworth. The thing that I found interesting about this one was that it showed up in nearly the exact same spot as a train from last year. Also, notice all of those Amazon smiles. This is another one. It's a pretty long shot, but unfortunately, again, in the video, there just wasn't enough voiceover to support it. Here we are in Fresno, California, near downtown, looking at the Belmont Avenue overcrossing. The purpose of me taking this footage was to capture Belmont, but lucky me, a Union Pacific freight came through the shot right in the middle of me doing my thing. This also just happened to coincide with needing to turn around toward downtown so I could get footage of the Fresno Trench, which is just to the right of the freight tracks in this shot. Overall worked out great, nice looking train. Here we have a real quick shot of racing a UP train out by Modesto on State Route 99 South. And then still on State Route 99 South, this time with the train going the opposite direction in Visalia. One thing I found interesting about this setup was you notice that the only thing between freeway traffic and the freight train is a chain link fence. And somehow no one has a problem with this, but if there is going to be a passenger train in the median with a 5-foot concrete barrier, that's the end of the world for some reason. I just find that perspective interesting. And a bonus train for you. This was on the way back home. I decided to go through the High Desert Corridor route to pick up some extra footage there. In the process, I ended up in Victorville on D Street and raced this BNSF train into town, going by the Cemex plant that might end up having something to do with Brightline West. That was my goal of the footage on this one. Train ended up showing up and looking pretty cool through that. That wraps up freights in the Central Valley and beyond for the last trip. That's all for now. Until next time, I'll see you on that big, beautiful freeway.